So guys, what's up, it's your boy Arav and you're watching RF Tech and More. Today I'll be telling you how I made myself a DJ controller that took me 7 hours straight, no caps, and it also works like a charm. Stay tuned in the video for a short demo at the end, so let's get started. In this project I have used 16 push buttons, 1 Arduino Pro Micro, 3 slider potentiometers, 7 rotatory potentiometers and a CD4067 IC. I must tell you that this project took forever to build when I was making it. I never thought that this would work on first try, but hey, guess what? I'm so into it now. I properly soldered everything, insulated it well, and the design was less awful. Guys, if you want to make your own DJ controller, you have to follow a link down in the description because he has some copyright licenses on it, so I cannot share it like that. So you can watch that video, you can go to his website and download schematics and the code and it will work. For me it worked, but I had to do some modifications because my setup was totally different from his, so I had to do some minor changes to the code. If you face any problem, I'll guide you through it. You can put down the query in your comments or you can just mail me. So guys, thank you for sticking till then. Now it's time to show you the thing that I promised. Here is a short demo.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes all tied up like a I don't see you. Used to pay to my own life, standing a rainbow, who's playing it cool. I don't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay up in line? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay up in line. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You're stronger. Get it, forget. Everybody know I'm a visual. Yeah, I kill it cold like a criminal. I'm everybody's type, but nobody can deny. 'Cause you know I get it, I'm getting freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky on, get that freaky on, freaky. Get it right, get that freaky on. 챙겨 보고다가 get freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky on, get that freaky on, freaky. Get it right. 상관하지 마. Everybody's tight, but nobody can deny. 'Cause you know I get it, 나는 아무리 봐도 I'm getting freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky on, get that freaky on, freaky. Get it right, get that freaky on.
So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, press the like button, subscribe for amazing content like this and share this with your friends. We are really close to 2K subs, so let's do this. For now, peace.